guys, your boy Vegan Ambition here. What are you?
What's going on, everyone? I don't do it fully. Accent. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Vegan Ambition, Mr. Ford. He's not vegan, but he's going to take on this BRAN FLAKES challenge. We're going to try and do a full box of BRAN FLAKES each, and we've got some soy milk, fresh from Sainsbury's, to go with it.
It's actually quite nice.
It's quite nice.
This is the first time I've tried it. I'm impressed.
Yeah.
My aim are dry. One by one.
We've got as the BRAN FLAKES. I'm showing you the calorific content. This should be about just over 2,000 calories each if we eat the full box. Soy milk. This is not the UHT one. That's good. UHT should do that. Let's go. That goes like shit. I would recommend getting your BRAN FLAKES from Asda or Karud BRAN FLAKES, because they actually taste nice.
I'd recommend just getting Weetos or something nice. Cookie Crisp, Golden Nuggets,
Cookie Crisp is vegan.
Cookie Crisp is vegan. Cookie Crisp, and there you go. There's Weetos. Now Weetos got chocolate in it.
You got any shout outs you'd like to make to anyone in particular?
Big up to my boy, Comedy Shorts Gamer.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you were going to say like Connor Thomas Perry.
Thomas Perry, he won't be watching this. Too busy with his girlfriend. Shout out to Tuppy and Emily. I love the tattoos, the matching tattoos. Fantastic. Hey guys.
Okay, my phone.
Oh shit.
Oh,
You ruined it. It was you. You knocked it. I stood up. Yeah.
It's fine, it's fine.
So I go.
It's going to be angle better than ever.
Cut him out. Just keep me in it.
5 minutes in. It's not even 5 minutes in. Are you still in your first bowls? Fuck. Wait, am I not allowed to swear? Can you swear? Is it a PG?
I reckon wait.
Let's walk into the shop.
Go,
No worries,
bro.
bro. Join in if you want. Oh, I would love to, but I'm actually balancing now. So I'll see you guys on Sunday.
How's it going? You eat those
Really
BRAN
fun.
FLAKES.
Really fun.
How far through them are you?
Hmm?
How far through the box have you got?
You know you can
We've got loads.
you
Actually.
spilt some down the side.
Yeah, we're
You
gonna
have
have
to
to
eat the
empty
ones
out the
at the
little
bottom.
packet first before you
This
finish.
is so heavy.
It's huge.
Mate, just think of like you're having that. I'm having my chippy. Just think of that.
I want chippy.
Yeah, well.
One chippy.
Just slap a massive fish on top of
A big steak. Mmm. You won't see much of them around here, will you?
No, because you don't eat them. You just eat oven baked pizzas every day.
Well, this is not true.
And baby soup.
Baby soup. What do you say? What do you say?
Just mashed up foods because you're a baby.
That's really funny. I don't get it.
Yeah, we forgot to introduce Mr.
Not vegan.
Zach and Cody over here.
I haven't eaten meat for like since lunch. I'm in pretty much vegan.
6 o'clock.
Yeah,
Same,
a
to be
6
fair.
hours vegan.
Same to be fair.
It's tough. It is.
This is my first vegan meal of the week.
shout out to AF15 Beatbox,
Oh.
his old YouTube channel. I don't think you can find the videos anymore, can you?
Deleting them.
Just delete the
Doing
videos.
Instagram.
He had thousands of views and he just wanted to delete them.
I know.
He had a fair few, man.
Not many
Valuable,
issue though. Vegan ambition does this.
Yeah, it'd be hard
That's
to-
the only
hard
reason
to-
I'm friends with you. The fame.
True, man.
That's why we became friends all those years ago. I knew you were going to be a successful YouTuber.
Really.
Yeah.
And I was going to rake in
Subscribe.
fame.
That's
So
right.
we
This is
can-
your moment now.
This is going to get 1,000 subscribers when you upload this.
Yeah, this is gonna be the one.
I did have a chicken and stuff in
Yeah,
sandwich,
central
but
line.
to be fair,
What did it taste like? Cruelty and death.
tastes like satisfaction.
Oh. Would you kill a chicken yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Chicken's
You
nice.
cut it open,
Mm-hmm.
let it bleed on your hands, and then think, wow, I'm gonna eat this now.
It's not how to kill
Then
it.
I'll cook the poison out of it, just to make sure it's edible.
Yeah.
But instead, you could go over there. Get
Why
some
would you not cook the
fresh
poison
plants.
out of it, you idiot? You get poisoned if you don't cook the
So,
poison out of it.
herbicides, mate. Herbicides all over that stuff.
No one sprays herbicides there.
How do you know?
Yeah, how do you know?
Well, I don't, and they don't.
Yeah, but right. Yes, no one. That's
Well, it's our
concrete
garden,
evidence.
isn't it?
It
So,
wasn't.
It's not though, is it?
Our garden.
You read
That's-
it.
I think I might have to bleep that.
Have you
I
hit the wall yet?
I might give up soon, so I don't
mate, I
die
can
tonight.
know. The light is at the end of the tunnel.
No, it isn't.
No,
Yeah,
look
it
how
is.
much big that bowl is.
Yeah,
Because
well,
it doesn't start there, does it? It
Yeah,
starts
pretty much
here.
does.
And then I'm nowhere near, am I?
Is there anything left in your box as well? Oh.
Christ.
Make sure you recycle that box.
Seen this?
Yeah, littering.
It's like your garden.
Yeah.
Actually, isn't.
An animal's gonna come along and get stuck in that.
And die.
To be fair,
Not gonna
to be
eat
fair
it.
to this guy, you always get the
I always get
what
the
are they
beer, the plastic beer,
called?
what they call
Necks.
necks, yeah, and I always pick them up or pull them apart and throw them back on the floor if there's nobody around. Because
What time
hedgerows can get head stuck in them.
What's the password?
I'm not telling your channel.
We don't want to tell 2,000
Oh.
people, do we?
2,000. I mean, you've got 900 subscribers, let's be honest, about 800 of them are probably bots.
Brave, very brave.
And the rest of me and mum.
You've probably made about 10 new channels.
Yeah.
You're the one who's commenting, you comment and then reply on you comment
Yeah.
and reply to yourself.
23 minutes.
Like,
Yeah.
the guy's like topless and that, and then put like black tops on everyone.
How many you eat? Show me the box.
Not that many.
How many? Count them. How many?
Let's see the plastic.
How many flakes?
Let's see the plastics.
Oh, have you, buddy, you can start, you know.
Come
You can start.
Is that your first bowl?
Yeah, wait, all the ways are in there. Literally insane. I've told them that these are massive boxes, aren't you?
Tell them, you tell them.
These are family packs.
These are family packs.
For a family for a week.
For a family for a
Supposedly,
week.
supposedly 25 servings, but you know what? You know what it's like these days. It says it serves 2. It really barely serves 1.
Yeah.
Serves 4. I don't think so. How about?
Thanks for that, mate.
Alright. It's like we can see half the calories. It's like, oh, 2 then. Something says half the
These
calories.
how many calories? What's the? Does the light mean there's not much calories in these?
Yeah, there's 100 per can.
I didn't know that, you know. I'm just not sure if I'm full or
Keep eating them.
tired.
When you stand up, you might feel less full and more full. I feel alright.
Yeah. bro, I don't feel great. I recently got vegan ambition into the black t-shirt craze. Looking very smart.
Thank you, man.
This
Thank
is
you.
new. Top man, 2 for £12. I recommend. Although
10%
today,
student discount as
today
well.
I've got a Hilfiger one. I don't know if you can see that, but you know,
Don't self-plug
but-
like that, man. You
but
should
it's
notice
smashed
that
out.
anyway.
I don't know if you can see it. Small badge.
You had to say it. You had to say it.
When I was in. Hey. Come on, baby. Come on. Woo! Nah, you've messed it all.
What? That's perfect. Just one bowl. We've had the broccoli challenge requested of me to do, which we never did.
I'd have
So-
rather have done that.
No, I think I really like bran flakes, so I think I'd prefer the bran flake challenge to the broccoli challenge. But thanks thanks to Defqon Vegan for giving us the opportunity to do a food challenge. If you want to check out his channel, it's DEFQON Vegan. He's just broken the 500 subscriber mark, and he's well on his way to 1,000. So if you like this channel, you'll probably like that one too. So go and check it out. And now I've got bran flakes falling out of the bowl. I'm cheating.
I made myself look like a right pussy. I think I'm just more bored than anything. More like sick of the taste more than anything.
Not great, is it?
No.
Might be nice to have that one bowl.
Yeah.
After
The first bowl was pretty good. Not gonna lie.
you need to get him like on a loop and then just play for the whole thing.
I don't like that one. It's terrible.
Oh, good.
Oh.
We're not that breath.
Mate, they're gonna think you're like
It's the vegan beatboxer.
they're gonna think you're like some sort of machine.
I'm a
They
machine.
can't see you do it. They're not gonna believe it.
The big reveal. It was Alex all along.
Making your head a brown flake.
Brilliant.
You don't look like you're rushing very much.
Grow up.
Grow up. Just grow up. No? In between us?
Look at this beautiful
Garden
nature.
tour. This is the face behind the what are they? Absolute rascals causing havoc. This isn't actually a vegan ambition garden. And this is actually vegan. This is the student house. Pretty disgusting. This is vegan ambition garden. As you can see, it's not very well maintained. Plenty of weeds. What's in the shed? Not really sure. I think that's part of a lawnmower. To be fair, as a kid, this would be an insane jungle to explore. I used to explore the jungle in my grandma's garden. It was nice. I'm not sure who or what this bit is. I don't think this is their garden either, but I'm going to explore. No, it definitely isn't. Let's go back. Ooh. Thirsty. There was a bit of a gathering the other night, hence the beer and beer cans, bottles. This is where all the vegan cooking goes down. You know, chickpea curries, whatever you fancy, bean burgers. I don't know what he eats. FIFA setup, disco lights. I'll kick about. Let's go. It's not easy to throw a tripod on the football. Yes, Sweet life. Oh, oh. Cristiano. Let's go see how the King's getting on with the BRAN FLAKES. He's nearly done. Nearly finished his box.
It floats like a massive couch.
Look at that. A few bites away.
I genuinely just thought I was going to throw up then for a second.
Sit down. Sit down.
Hmm?
Sit down. Be stood up.
Merry Christmas, Vegan Ambition fans. That's probably about, I don't know,
Give it a mix. Not too much, is it, mate?
not
5
too much.
2 spoonfuls?
It's probably
Get a real close one. I bet it looks awful.
It's probably a standard person's bowl. Small bowl. Yeah, it looks pretty gross. Oh, the black tea.
Nike Air.
Nike Air 320 Plus. Limited edition.
Only available on the confirmed app.
Were also released in red, but cancelled due to not vegan enough. I mean, they would have been better in green, but apparently. These are Chippy's own vegan chicken nuggets. Without the vegan chicken.
With
Just a normal chicken.
I want to make this into a smoothie now. Your smoothies are rank. I'm sorry.
You're not.
Yeah, you're rank.
It just looks like mush now.
You rank at the bottom of my friends list.
That was mean.
He's nervous now that he's in front of the camera.
Snapchat, add her up. Add her up, boys.
Dickhead.
Be sure to use the
How
fight.
did you know that
Be
was
sure
your
to
name?
use her favourite fire emoji.
What?
Yeah.
How do you know that's her name?
That's all I ever see on your phone.
1 hour 4 minutes.
No, on your phone.
Oh,
Probably about 55. An hour and 2.
I'm saying hour and
1 hour and 2.
Oh! Bam!
Should have
It's
made,
pretty
He's
much
never
bang
done.
on when you said it as well.
should have made predictions beforehand.
Yeah, should be Mark.
I'll show them the stopwatch when you finish.
Do it! What does Shia LaBeouf say?
Just
Do it.
Just do it!
Make your dreams come true.
Yeah, but, okay. Nearly there.
You should do.
1
You're
hour,
distracting me, you're ruining
6
my time.
minutes.
Sorry.
Ruining the
Why?
world ruining the world record.
I'm being camera.
Why are you like bouncing your belly?
Are you gonna be on your own?
Come on, boss man. Finish it off.
Actually, that's done.
That's pretty good.
Say some words.
That's pretty good.
Thanks
1
for
minute.
watching.
Just
Big
under
boy,
1 minute
Vegan
7.
Ambition,
What's this
signing
one?
out.
Huh?
Peace.
How you feeling, boss?
I feel great. So,
Do you really
Next
feel
box?
great though? Like,
next
I
box.
heard it's a 2 box.
Yeah, it's a box challenge.
ooh,
What was I saying before? Do like 3 boxes each or 2 boxes each? I was
yeah, I
saying.
was like, what are you doing, one mate?
Okay, so I'd like to nominate.
Hey, Tyler, GNABT.
No. I'd like to nominate Defqon Vegan, Major
Yeah.
Fitness TV,
RemiLifts.
Vegan Physique, RemiLifts. Who else can I nominate? Who else would potentially do this?
Dear Kate.
Jon Venus. And
Dear vlogs.
let's do one more.
Dear vlogs.
That's not a real channel.
Dear Bob,
And
yeah.
the last one will be.
Can't tell GNABT.
Just check down below and we'll see who's
Alright.
nominated. Safe.
I just wanted to say thank you to Vegan Ambition for having me on his channel. I might set up my own non-vegan chat. I'm joking. I'm just kidding. Nah, I respect Vegan Ambitions fans, and congratulations for completing the challenge. Oh man, I failed, but you know, it's all
What
about
was the
you.
time?
It's all about you.
What was
The time was just under 1 minute 7. 1 minute 6, 40 seconds.
1 minute 7.
1 minute 6.
1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour.